So I've decided that whenever I dye my hair a new color, I'm going to buy an outfit from the thrift store, modify it to turn it into something new, and showcase it with my new hair color. Or make an outfit from scratch. So I'm dyeing my hair half purple, half green. These colors are inspired by the Joker and was suggested to me, and I was like, yes, I'm definitely doing that. So my hair has been shampooed and conditioned so it's nice and clean for this process, and I'm using the dye straight from the bottle, which I never do, but last time I tried to do this look, I ended up diluting it with conditioner and the colors did not turn out as vibrant. That was my first time using Odor hair dye, and the purple actually came out looking pink because I diluted it. So this time I'm just going straight from the bottle, and as you can see, the color is very, 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 very vibrant. As you can see, my hair is damaged, which is fine, but I am salty about it because I bought a new bleach because the bleach I usually buy was not in stock. So I tried to be very, 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 very meticulous and very particular with how I was doing the bleach. I did not let any bleach touch the already bleached sections. The bleach decided, oh, I'm just gonna seep down the hair shaft and bleach your bleached hair. So yeah, so basically my hair is like curly at the roots, and then it gets very loose in the middle, and then curly again at the ends where the bleach did not touch. So yeah, it's ridiculous. I mean, it's like I don't care, but at the same time, like I put all that effort and time into not damaging my hair just for it to end up damaged. So, you know, that's something. But yeah, that's just a little backstory on my hair because yeah, that's something. But wow, look how this purple looks just straight out of the bottle. Anyways. So for my styling product, I'm using Aunt Jackie's Curls and Coils Curl La La Defining Custard. Is that what that said? I don't know. I'm taking a bit and working it into one of my 6 sections and making sure I get that product thoroughly up in there. And then I'm taking this African Pride Olive Miracle Olive Oil Tea Tree Oil, and I'm working that in my hair as well. I like to use a lot of oil because oil. And now I'm taking the best detangling tool in the universe, also known as the Tangle Teaser, and I am detangling that section. And now I'm parting my hair. I'm not really worried about getting the parts to be like a certain shape, like a square or something. I'm just making sure that they're all the same size. To make each braid nice and neat, I am taking this black edge control and working that on the perimeter of each braid. And I'm gonna start braiding and speed that up. You know, this took around 6 hours. My whole head took about 6 hours. So yeah, but there's that braid, it's so cute. So yeah, just watch me braid my hair for not 6 hours. So now for the fun part, I have some silver and black beads, and I'm using this beader tool to push them things up on my hair, which is great because I used to actually wear beads a lot, like in high school, and I actually used to put the beads on one by one. I was dedicated, man, really. But where was this when I was younger? I mean, I'm sure it existed, but I didn't know about it. But yeah, I really like the beads. It adds a cherry on top of this hairstyle, you know. So I went on an adventure to my local thrift store to find something similar to this outfit, and they did not disappoint. I would first like to say that this is definitely not a tutorial, because even though I knew what I was doing, I still did not know what I was doing. So first I took a pair of my leggings and I traced around it, leaving some extra space for seam allowance, and then I cut that out, and then I used that pant leg and put it on the other side of the skirt to cut out another pant leg. On the top and the bottom of the skirt had this trim thing, so I cut that off because I don't need that. I also eventually got rid of that zipper. Again, this is not a tutorial because first of all, I didn't like record me sewing or anything. I just recorded the bare bones of it. But yeah, now I'm using my yellow fleece to add more length to the pants because the skirt was not long enough. So I'm using this accent color as the bottom of my pants. Add a little pop of yellow up in there. So this fabric is not stretchy at all. This fabric has absolutely no stretch. So what you're seeing right now is me adding yellow strips of fabric to the pant leg because I couldn't even wrap it around my thigh, even though I did extra. Anyways, it was hard. It was difficult. I didn't know what I was doing, but I made it work. So yeah, that's one pant leg that you're looking at right now. So this is how it looks on me. It's baggy, of course. It's better to be too big than too small. But I didn't like the yellow going up my booty and my front area, so I got rid of that and made it tighter, and this is how that looks. Yeah, so much better. So now I'm adding this yellow fleece again as an accent color as the waistband. Boom. And I pinned the waistband to my pants, and now I'm cutting off the excess fabric. I'm adding a waistband. I measured my waist and cut off a piece of elastic, and I'm looping that through using a safety pin. Yeah. So for the shirt, I took the easy way out. All I did was cut it into a crop. So I folded up the ends to make a channel, which I am going to feed a piece of yellow fleece through. I really took the easy way out with this shirt, but this is it pinned up, and this is the yellow piece of fabric that I will put through once I sew it up. So yeah. So this is the final look. This was very fun to do. The only thing I do not like is the red top. I mean, it's plain. I didn't really add any kind of flair to it, so I ended up using the top as like an accessory. Basically, I didn't really wear it, you know. And second of all, like I said, this fabric has absolutely no stretch. So look at me attempting to squat. Look. Yeah, that's it. But yeah, this was very fun. I enjoyed it a lot. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.